Hey loves, in today's video I'm going to be showing you my skincare routine. This is a all natural skincare routine. Since I became vegan, I decided to look into the skincare of the products that I used to use, and used to have like a lot of harsh chemicals in it. So I cleared out all of those skincare products that wasn't natural, and I got me some new ones. So yeah, the first thing to clear skin I would tell you is to drink lots and lots of water. That helped my skin out a lot. Once I start drinking a gallon a day, some days is good, some days aren't, but I make sure I drink water constantly throughout the day, and that helps my skin out a lot. So first I wash my hands, and then I use warm water to open up my pores. The first thing I use is this Aveeno Clear Complexion, and I started back using this because this was the only thing that I used years ago, and I don't know why I stopped using it, but recently I just had to get back to using it, and it still works good on my skin. It's recommended that you cleanse your face for 60 seconds in order for the product to work better, because if you're trying to do it for 5 seconds, your product is not getting in your skin good enough. So make sure that you're doing it for 60 seconds and then rinse it off, and make sure you're going upwards with any product you put on your face, because you don't want to drag your face down. It will cause sagging. This is how my skin looks after I rinse the cleanser off. It's so clean. I love this cleanser. So next I exfoliate my skin. I made this organic brown sugar and honey scrub. I've been using it for a couple of weeks now, and I can say that it works better than the exfoliated scrubs that I have used in the past. It's not harsh on my skin. It makes my skin feel soft and hydrated and plump. I really love this. And I also use a green tea, honey, and organic brown sugar. That one, I gotta get some more green tea, but I love that one as well. So yeah, exfoliating helps get the dead skin cells off of the skin. I make sure I get my neck as well. So yeah. So here I am just washing the scrub off. I leave it on for 5 minutes as well. That helps out a lot. And it just have my skin just looking so glowy. It makes my skin so soft. I really love this exfoliating face scrub. It's natural, no chemicals added, just things that you have in your kitchen. So here's how my skin looked afterwards. So next is the mask, and now I only use the clay mask and Distilled white vinegar. In my previous video I used turmeric, tea tree oil, and apple cider vinegar. This mask is my day-to-day mask, so I use this mask in the morning 3 times a week, or I'll use it at night, but I don't use it twice a day. So I love this mask. You know, it gets the toxins out of your skin. It leaves your skin fresh and clean. Give it a little glow. You know, it helps with breakouts. And so it's been 10 minutes, and now we're about to wash this mess off. So when I'm washing my face, I use cold water, and it helps to close your pores back up. My hair just kept falling down the whole time I was trying to wash the mess off. So this is how my skin looks when I wash the mask off. It leaves it so clear and just so fresh. So next I go in with my toner. Like I said, I use the Distilled white vinegar as a toner to put the pH balance back in my skin from the mask, and to also wipe the residue from the mask off my skin. And it's a lot on it, so just think about that. When you need to tone your face, that's what a toner does. So next I use this serum that I got from Marshalls. It's a vitamin C serum, and it's also vegan, and I love this vitamin C serum. It makes my skin glow. I love this serum. I really love it in the summertime. When I had to wear it in the summertime, like, my skin was just glowy from this serum. And it's good to use serums because it helps to get the next product that you want to use on your skin, and it also helps with wrinkles, and you always want to like plump your face up with it. So next I use this rose water hydrating spray, and I got this from Marshalls. I love this spray. It leaves my skin so hydrated, and it gives my skin a glow as well. And them two together, man, your skin will be looking so bomb. I'm trying to tell you. So next I go in with this Peppermint Lip Scrub I got from Marshalls as well. A lot of stuff I got from Marshalls, and I love this scrub. It is really natural. It has my lips really moisturized. I love this. I'm happy I came across it because I know my lips can get kind of dry, but this adds the moisture to it. And look how it makes my lips look so plump and full. I love this. Next I go in with my Rosehip Oil, and this helps with moisturizing your skin, and it also helps with dark marks. And I love this oil so much because it also leaves my skin glowy. Just by itself, it will leave my skin glowy. And this virgin rosehip oil, I got this from Walmart. So next I'm going in with my sunscreen, and for all these years I thought that I didn't need sunscreen, but coming to find out I do, because sunscreen helps with protecting your skin from the sun. It also helps with your dark marks not getting darker, wrinkles. It helps with a lot, and I've seen a difference in my skin overall from using sunscreen. So now I make sure every morning I put on sunscreen before I leave out the house. That's everything that I use. I will make sure that I list everything down below for you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Take care of your skin, loves. See you in the next one.